won't come to rest.
Yeah, sit back, just relax and play. I think I'll be doing that today. Put all the worries of the past away. I think I'll be doing that today. Reminiscing on the path I blaze. I think I'll be doing that today. We kick a rhyme on these tracks I play. I think I'll be doing that today. Don't wanna move, I wanna poster. Keep the windows and the door shut. Late brunch, cinnamon toast crunch. I keep it cooler than the other side. Like the winter to the summertime. I just wanna chill, it's no wonder I'm so mellow to the blood bordello. Everybody screaming encore, more cello. I'm a cool cat, I'm a real smooth fellow. I won't follow what you say though, cause I'm a soul rebel, so you know that. I keep it classic as a throwback. Holographs on my backwards cap. I stay fresher than the lunch line. Trying to find what to munch on. Gonna grab some chips and it's crunch time. Won't rush and I will not speed.
Hello， 大家好。Hello， 大家好，我上个月又搬家了。之前的房子到期了，我就搬到了现在这边来。其实我对现在这边还挺满意的，楼下就有地铁站，生活很便利。不过这边是商住两用，除了住户之外，还会有一些商家，就类似于美甲店、纹身店。所以这边会比普通公寓更加鱼龙混杂，我也会比之前更担心独居安全问题。我就在网上搜索了很多独居神器，有在小红书上被梦家种草一个智能门铃。我看了之后觉得还蛮适合我的，所以我也跟着下单了。这360可视门铃我最喜欢的是它的双摄像头，它有一个主摄像头配合辅助摄像头，就可以拍得非常光焦。从屋内看门外的时候几乎是没有盲区，就算是身高比较矮的小朋友或者是小动物从家门口经过也能拍得很清楚。另外它还有一个快递看护功能，就很适合我这样的独居上班族，因为我家里没有人帮我收快递，但是放门口的话又怕会丢件，所以就只能放在快递站。但是我经常加完班回到家里的时候，快递站已经关门了，这样就很不方便。那现在我就可以用它来设置一个快递看护区域，它的双摄功能就可以帮助我看着快递，防止走丢。这功能就真的非常贴心，也很实用。这是我第一次使用智能门铃，用下来的体验感还蛮好的，它很方便很实用，而且确实增加了独居安全感，所以呢就在这里分享给大家，希望对准备独居或者是正在独居的朋友们有所帮助。之后我也会多多分享一些日常好物，你们有什么想看的也可以留言弹幕告诉我。好，那我们下次见，拜拜。